This morning we're taking our walk at downtown Disney, checking out all the new construction, seeing what's coming up. The new security check area is a lot more efficient than the old one used to be. They added a new restroom, which was sorely needed. Now they moved underground galleries next to Salt and Straw. It's in a smaller storefront. Christmas decorations are up. Now, Marceline's confectionery is now just a kiosk. Not sure what they're going to actually do with the store portion. We're now checking out the Disney store. Looks like they're getting ready for the Moana 2 movie. Looks like they're remodeling the Lego store. Sign says, something bright and colorful is coming soon. So, I guess we'll see. Well, they closed Tortilla Joe's. Kind of sad because that was one of my more favorite restaurants. One of the Easter eggs in downtown Disney is actually this prop from The Force Awakens. Well, since we're getting our steps in, we can make a quick stop at the Beignet Express because I think we earned it. If you've ever wondered what's involved in docking the Columbia when it's not in use voyaging around the rivers of America, today's walk has that answer. My walk is pacing the Columbia. Looks like the Columbia is heading to its dock. Just like any seagoing vessel, when the Columbia comes into port, you have to have crewmen out setting the mooring lines and making sure they're tight so the boat doesn't sway. This is the little seaport where they dock the Columbia when it's not in use, taking people around the rivers of America. When the riverboat Mark Twain is voyaging around the rivers of America, the Columbia is safely tucked into its home port right across from the Haunted Mansion. Well, that was kind of cool. It's the first time I've ever seen them dock the Columbia. Didn't know so much was involved. Starting my walk at Disneyland this morning, and looks like it's going to be a goofy day. Rey and Chewy are training a new group of resistance fighters and recognizing hand signals.
What does this mean? Very good. What does this mean? Very good. One more time.
I guess that's the Jedi take on the old red light, green light games that we used to play as kids. But in this case, when there's a red light and a green light, you can stop, you can start, and then there's another signal, hi. And a couple kids use Chewy as big as he is to hide behind. Really cute the way they did this.
You're already in a line.
That's what I like about taking my walks. You always see something new. This morning's walk is at Disney California Adventure. Making a slight detour on my walk to take in the Avengers Assemble holiday version.
Don't worry, I've got this.
Holiday playlist initiated. Season's greetings.
Okay, this looks bad.
Stop! Hey, Clint. Need a little help?
This year's holiday version of the Avengers Assemble show
Don't you think?
had Hawkeye and Kate Bishop as the main characters.
All right, everyone say happy holidays.
way to cap my walk.
And sweet dreams, happy birthday by the fire. They celebrate the things that we made.
And it's my first morning walk at the Disney Resorts of 2025. Checking out some of the new things in downtown Disney. Well, off to the park. I made a detour on my walk to the Jungle Cruise, mainly because I wanted to see the 8th wonder of the world, which is
the backside of water. Woo!
that joke has been around since that ride first opened in the 50s. This is pretty awesome. Alice and the Mad Hatter are actually riding the teacups and looking like they're having a good time. You never know what you're going to see. Making a quick detour to the Royal Theater to catch the Tango show. Tiana's Bayou Adventure is now open, but I think I'm going to wait a while before I go on to this because everybody I see coming off this ride is soaking wet. I think I'll wait for a warm summer day. Cool thing about taking a walk at Disneyland, there's always something entertaining to watch. Well, this morning's walk is the first in 2025 at Disney's California Adventure. Let's see what we can see.
It was at 20% this morning, but it's going to be windy instead. Yeah.
It's a little chilly this morning, so I think I'll go inside a bit at the Mike and Sully to the Rescue ride. This is pretty cool.
My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with your right foot.
Oh, we gotta get you home.
Guess I can continue my walk now. And I gotta close all these umbrellas down. So I think we're in for some serious wind today. Oh, got the Antman going by.
Device you've got there. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, how's it going? I like your hat there. Are you into aerospace engineering?
Oh yeah, yeah.
You are. Have you seen the Quinjet?
I'm jealous.
You're jealous
I'm
of
jealous.
it.
Very
I know,
jealous.
It's really cool. I keep asking Tony to let me fly it, but he says no.
Why not?
Because I don't have a pilot's license.
And that makes a difference? I don't think he does either. And he flies around in an Iron Man suit.
You know, you're asking the right questions, my friend.
Well, that was pretty cool. Having a aerospace discussion with the Antman. Back at Disneyland for my morning walk. Detour to the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. So part of my steps will be as a pirate. Wow, they really changed this thing. So the Pirates of the Caribbean ride went from selling lunches to selling hens and eggs. Yeah, it's changed a bit since the old days. And a few extra steps in here. Gonna visit a store owned by an alien named Dok Ondar. And it's this store right here. They have some really neat things inside, including the owner itself. There's a lot of cool things to see in the shop. And that little visit to the alien store got me to my steps goal today. So, I'm headed to the exit. It's quite a blustery day here at Disneyland as I start my morning walk. Oh, when it's too windy above the surface, we'll go below the surface of the water, that is. Nemo submarine ride. I liked all the Pixar Finding Nemo characters, but I do miss the sea serpent that was part of the original theming of the submarines.
Nobody would believe it anyway. I think we've been submerged.
Oh well, on with my walk. Well, R2 and Rey marked the midpoint to my walk today. I'm in Galaxy's Edge. And time to start the second half of my walk. A quick detour to Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad. Well, I'm not going to get that tune out of my head for the rest of this walk. Got my 10,000 steps in, got my water. Time to head home. It's a Star Warsy kind of day, so I think I'll take a couple laps here in Galaxy's Edge.
I know you typically don't like talking about it, but okay. Yes. Thankfully, Anakin made it back to the light side in the nick of time.
I love spending time with R2-D2. It's always an interesting experience. Oh, droid on the loose.
Hey. You're the bravest droid in the galaxy.
Yeah, we made it through like 3 galactic wars.
We'll go together, all right? Okay, let's go. Be brave.
This is what happens when you meet someone that's dressed as Darth Vader.
Scared like you.
I love spending part of my morning walk with R2-D2. It's always so entertaining.